Excuse me. Reach the stops. You got a brake light out, man. Is this your car? Okay.
Michael H. white male.
One white male, gray sweatshirt, gray sweatshirt.
I can't.
Who do you have insurance through, man?
Hold it. My brother.
I can't hold it.
Brother, he has insurance.
Okay, so it's showing unconfirmed, alright?
I just need the pot. I really do.
It does. You're gonna have to wait. The faster you get this going, the faster we can go somewhere, alright?
220 lobby.
Like, you need to chill out, otherwise you're about to go in handcuffs.
Go ahead.
The subject we're out with is going to be Zachary Shaw. Can you see if he's had any criminal trespass warnings for the
What is my insurance?
PCF? It's like an auto body shop here.
You want me to call?
Hey, dude. Dude, no.
I want them to prove. I'm so serious, mister. I'm not trying to.
Okay, you find me the insurance. The faster you do that, the faster we can get out of here. Who do you have insurance through? Who has insurance in the car?
Hey. Thank you.
Who has insurance in the car? You said it's your car, right?
Yeah, this is my car, but he has the insurance. I have the insurance in her. We live together.
Okay, how long you been in Texas?
About a year now.
Okay. Do you have anything with your name on it? That says your name is...
Yes.
Okay.
20, he does not
Let me see
have
it.
any CTs for that location.
Have one. Hey, warrants one.
If you make me poop on myself, mister. Oh my God.
41 copy 20.
Negative.
Step one.
He not answering my call.
45 on a black Dodge
He
van.
got the insurance on his phone. I know he got it automatic. He can pull it right up. I don't have it right automatically. Oh, and I can't think right now for the poop.
Okay, do you have insurance in the car? Do you have insurance in the car, yes or no?
41 vehicle returns clear for that black Dodge van.
I know this is my old one, but I need my new one. I got a new one.
Who is it through?
Right there.
It's your car and you don't know?
No, because I don't. I have insurance to him. I don't know. Okay, we got pulled over. I need you to send me the insurance card.
Hey, over here.
Immediately.
Stand here.
Send it to me now. Here's the insurance card. You got it on your phone. Send it to me right now.
That'd be fine. I need a picture
your
of it.
phone. You ought to have the insurance. You don't have your insurance card? Come on now. I got the poop, bro. Like the man holding me, and I got the pee, and I got the poop. I can't do neither one.
260, 10-0.
I'm holding it to my butthole right now.
Hey, stand right here. Don't move. Stand right here. Just stand right here. Don't move. Go ahead.
Got a warrant hit out of Harrison County for violation of probation, evading arrest, detention with a vehicle, felony 3. I do not have confirmation on it yet. He's got a Texas ID card that is current. His DL has been expired since 2007, but is still eligible.
10-4. Can you send for confirmation for that and send me another unit?
75's en route.
You got a middle name?
Rashawn is my middle name.
Rashawn?
Rashawn?
What is your middle name?
Rashawn.
Rashad?
Because he's definitely
Okay, he's hearing me just fine.
Okay. I really cannot hear you in here.
Does he have anything with his name on it? In the car?
Okay, this is her car. It's not mine.
Okay.
Can I? This is the worst day of my life. For a freaking broken tail light. He said my tail light is out or something. All this for a tail light?
Well, it's a lot more than that now because I don't have a driver's license from you. I'm trying to figure out who you are, and you're acting pretty erratic right now. You need to chill, okay?
I'm trying to poop.
Okay, well,
if you
gotta wait,
poop,
all right?
I would be very much so.
Well, that ain't gonna happen right now. You know what I mean?
But I'm literally needing the proof, mister. Like, I'm not being shady. I came over here to try to handle this man here. You over here stopped me. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to prove it. You let me poop right here in the yard, I poop. I mean,
No.
seriously, I need to poop.
We're not doing that.
You see these people outside looking at me?
Pull your pants up.
I'm
Okay, man, you gotta be able to hold yourself.
TJ.
You're a grown man.
Please let me poop, mister. Now I'm begging to poop.
How do y'all know each
Did
other
you
again?
find it?
That's my brother.
It's your brother?
Okay, here you go.
Okay. Can I see it?
That's the insurance.
Okay, let me see it. Who's on it? Who's Quayne?
Huh?
Who's Quayne?
Who's Quayne?
Yeah.
That's me.
That's who
Okay.
we're talking to.
Okay.
Hello?
Hey, I wouldn't done with that though.
Quayne,
This is Kawain on the phone.
Okay, I'm looking at the insurance.
I'm Kawain, sir.
Okay. Alright. Looks good.
Can't go potty.
No.
Quayne,
I still can't potty.
No.
Just chill out and pull your pants up. You get in trouble for indecent exposure. Just wait, let them do what they do so we can go.
Can I see my lighter?
Then we can get the car.
You can hand it to him.
Well, it's on the card.
Well, then we're gonna wait a
My
minute.
lighter.
Look.
I'm not doing nothing. You have that,
I can't get it out.
innocent. This is nothing but a
Hey man,
stop.
pull your hand out of your pants.
Huh?
Pull your hand out of your pants.
If you want me to poop on myself,
Dude, pull your hand out of your pants. Okay.
you want me to poop on myself?
No, but we're not gonna have our hands in our pants like that. Hey, come here. Come here.
I can't use the.
How many times do I have to tell you no, you cannot use the bathroom? I'm tired of hearing this. Stop.
I'm not asking to go to the bathroom. I'm asking to use the lighter, which is on my key.
No.
You just said yes.
Said she could hand it to you.
Can you pass me my lighter?
Yes,
Just take the key out the
Sure.
ignition.
I was
and
just
give me
letting
the
him know what I
lighter.
was doing.
Is there an issue?
Yeah, dude, you need to stay still.
What's
I
the
get.
issue though.
Well, I just got your insurance, okay?
Okay, chill out.
Alright.
Who?
I just got your insurance. I will be right back.
Thank you, sir.
Come here. Come here.
Right there, Quayne.
Right here.
You said you're from Oklahoma?
Oh, this is bad.
Hey. You said you're from Oklahoma?
We're going to the dollar store.
230.
Go ahead.
Gotta go to the dollar store.
Can you run a VIN number for me and let me know what it returns to?
What are we waiting on now?
Go ahead.
Just hang out. I'll be right back.
Huh?
I'll be right back. Alright, man.
I will be okay, I promise.
Can you
I will
have
get out your way. I will do
motion for me?
anything. Just let me poop. Just let me poop, please. What we waiting on now?
Until he let you go, so just chill out.
What we waiting on?
Come step over here.
To what plate belongs to that vehicle?
Step over here.
I can't hear you.
Come step over here. No, front of my car. You need to stay still.
I can't hear anything you're saying. So
Front of my car.
Very low.
Come step in front of my car. Front of my car. Right here. Bumper.
Do what, brother?
Here. Stand here.
I have told him several times I'm deaf. I cannot hear.
Okay.
That's it then.
Hey, can you hear me?
He can hear you.
Okay. Put your phone down. Stand right there. Put your phone on my hood. Put your keys on the hood. Put your keys and stuff on the hood.
Wow.
Do what I'm telling you to do. Alright. Put your stuff down. Alright. Now put your hands on your back.
What have I been arrested for?
You're being detained. You're not arrested.
Why am I being detained?
Because you, dude. Hey, just
What am I being detained for?
because you're acting erratic, okay?
It doesn't, I know you can take
Hey.
me for nothing, so. I don't
Put
see
your
why
hands
you-
behind your back. You're gonna be arrested.
I'm already being arrested.
No, you're being detained.
Detained
Detained and arrested are not the same thing, okay? Put your hands behind your back.
Listen. I'm not, no, it's not making sense.
Put your hands behind your back now. I'm not asking.
Oh, what?
Don't.